Hey there, ever heard of the phenomenon known as strange noise? It's a global mystery that's got scientists and laymen alike scratching their heads. These are unexplained, sometimes eerie sounds heard in different parts of the world. Now, they ain't your regular city hustle-bustle noise. They range from what some describe as a low rumble, akin to a distant thunderstorm, to high-pitched, almost musical tones. Theories about their origin? Well, they're abundant. Some say it's the Earth's natural radio emissions, others believe it's atmospheric noise, some even attribute it to supernatural or extraterrestrial activities. So next time you hear something odd, remember, it might just be the strange noise phenomenon. Intriguing, ain't it?